Yo, traders! Sean from VolProfit Academy here. Ever wonder why 90% of traders lose their shirts in the market? Spoiler alert, it's not the market's fault, it's us. Today I'm breaking down the 5 biggest reasons traders crash and burn, backed by some juicy stats. And I'll give you dead simple fixes to join the 10% who actually make bank. Stick around for my 30-day challenge that'll flip your trading game upside down. Let's dive in and save your account. Alright, let's start with a quick quiz to get those brain gears turning. Picture this. You're trading Euro/US dollar. Your stop loss gets hit and you're fuming. Do you A. double your position to make it back, or B. stick to your plan and move on? Drop your answer in the comments. Here's the truth. 90% of traders pick A, and that's why they lose. A 2023 study by the FCA showed 89% of retail Forex traders lose money due to emotional decisions. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to stay cool and win. Before we jump into the 5 reasons traders fail, let's talk about why tools like order flow, my secret weapon at VolProfit Academy, are a game changer. Order flow shows you where the big dogs, like hedge funds, are betting their millions. It's like having X-ray vision for the Forex market. A 2024 report from BIS said 88% of Forex volume comes from institutional traders. If you're not using tools like Volume Profile or Footprint, you're fighting blind. Now, let's get to those 5 mistakes holding you back. No trading plan. First up, most traders jump into Forex like it's a casino. One day they're chasing a moving average, the next they're copying some sketchy Instagram guru. Guess what? That's a one-way ticket to Broketown. A 2022 study by DailyFX found 73% of losing traders had no consistent strategy. Here's how you fix it. Build a solid trading plan. Know your entry, exit, stop loss, and target before you click buy. At VolProfit Academy, we use Volume Profile to pinpoint exact levels like the point of control for laser-focused trades. Check this Euro/USD chart from January 2025. I used the D-shaped profile to snag 150 pips because I had a plan. Stop gambling, start planning. Terrible risk management. Next, risk management, or the lack of it. Too many traders swing for the fences, risking their whole account on one trade, dreaming of a yacht. Reality check. A 2024 MyFX book report said 82% of blown accounts came from risking over 5% per trade. Ouch! The fix? Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. If your account's $10,000, that's $100 to $200 max per trade. Even if you lose 5 trades in a row, you're still in the game. I use Volume Profile at VolProfit Academy to find low-risk entries like the 6E futures trade in February 2025. 50 pips risk for a 200 pip win. Keep it tight and you'll stay alive. No discipline, all emotions. Number 3. Emotions are your worst enemy. Fear, greed, or, my favorite, revenge trading. You lose a trade, get mad, and go all in to get it back. Sound familiar? A 2023 Psychology of Trading study found 65% of traders let emotions drive their decisions. That's a recipe for disaster. Here's the fix. Start a trading journal. Write down every trade, entry, exit, and why you took it. Learn from your screw-ups. Also, try a quick trick. Before trading, take 5 deep breaths or do a 2-minute meditation. It's like a reset button for your brain. At VolProfit Academy, our students use journals to stay disciplined, and it's why they're banking consistent profits. Reason 4. Thinking Forex is a slot machine that spits out millions overnight. Spoiler, it's not. A 2024 Investopedia survey said 68% of new traders quit within 6 months because they expected instant riches. The fix? Treat trading like a business, not a lottery. Focus on steady growth. Aim for 1 to 2% returns per month, not 100%. Compounding is your best friend. At VolProfit Academy, we teach slow and steady wins the race. One of our students turned $1,000 into $7,500 in 6 months using order flow setups. Be patient, and the millions will come. Half-baked learning. Last but not least, scattered learning. Traders watch a random YouTube clip, skim a blog post, and think they're ready to conquer Forex. Nope, a 2025 Broker Notes study found 75% of losing traders never followed a structured learning path. Here's how to fix it. Pick one solid source, like VolProfit Academy, and stick to it. Practice on a demo account until you're consistently profitable. I started with demo accounts for 3 months before going live, and it saved my bacon. Our 15-hour order flow course at VolProfit Academy breaks it all down step by step so you're not just guessing.
Alright trading fam, here's where it gets fun. My 30-day VolProfit challenge. Pick one mistake, say no trading plan, and fix it for 30 days. Build a plan, risk just 1%, or start a trading journal. Track your progress and share it in the comments. I want to hear how you're crushing it. For more killer setups like these, follow the VolProfit Academy YouTube channel. We're dropping new trading videos every week, and if you're hyped, we're kicking off live trading sessions on YouTube soon, bigger and better than ever. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. That's it, traders. You've got the 5 reasons 90% of traders lose: no plan, bad risk management, no discipline, crazy expectations, and weak learning. Fix these, and you're on track to join the 10% who win big. Want more tips to crush Forex in 2025? Follow the VolProfit Academy YouTube channel for fresh videos packed with trading gold. Plus, we're bringing live trading sessions to YouTube soon. Don't miss them. Drop your questions in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe, and happy trading!